Okay, so in this problem we have a rocket being launched into the air and its height is given by this formula, and we want to know when the rocket will splash down. Well, the rocket's going to splash down when its height is 0, so what we really want to solve is 0 equals negative 4.9t squared plus 316t plus 108. At this point, we don't have a means of doing that algebraically, so we use our calculator. So we go to y equals and we type in the equation. Of course, we use x instead of t. And we graph. Now, to graph, I had to play around with the window a little bit to find a good window. One that worked for this problem was x went from negative 10 to 100, and y went from negative 500 to 6,000. And then I was able to get a decent graph. Now, I want to find where the height is 0, which is this point over here, which means I go into my calculator, and I want to find the 0. Left bound, I hit enter. And then I need to move over, go somewhere right of my x-intercept. There we go, enter, and make a guess. And it looks like the answer would be 64.8. So I'll type that in there. Then it says, how high does the rocket get at its peak? We really have two options there. We're trying to find the vertex. We have a little formula for vertex. We could use negative b over 2a. That would give us the t number, and then we could plug that into this formula to get the answer. Another option is, as long as we have the graph, we could come into this calculate menu again, and we could use number 4, the maximum. And it works kind of the same way. I need a left bound for the maximum, so I come over here to the left of the maximum, then a right bound, and then a guess. But this time we want the height, so we actually want the y number, not the x number. So our answer would be 5202.7.